Hello and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Now, you can see the aftermath of my son's birthday party. Gabriel, happy 6th birthday. I love you lots. Now, back to today's video. We've got Keng Pet Pet Yang. That's Thai red duck curry with lychee and pineapple. Now, before you say, no, you can't put pineapple in things, this is an amazing recipe. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around after this.
Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to cook roast duck curry paste or keng pet pet yang. But the duck we don't roast it today. We just grill on the pan. Okay, and today we use the breast duck, fresh one, 250 gram. Homemade curry paste, red curry paste, homemade. Coconut milk, pea aubergine, sweet red chilli sliced, cherry tomato, pineapple, sweet basil, fish sauce, palm sugar, and lychee in syrup. Okay, first we fried duck breast in the pan first. We use the butter instead of cooking oil. With the medium heat. Then we put this one on the pan. We fry it about 5 minutes. Yeah, you turn after 5 minutes, you turn to the other side. You can see the skin turn to brown color. And another side, another 5 minutes. If cannot cook, just until cook, this one become hot. The meat become hot. Okay, then we cook halfway, inside still pinky. You can get the taste from the duck. Yeah, you can see the color change. I think should be enough for this one. Yeah, okay. Okay, we slice it into small pieces. You like with skin, yeah? Now we got a duck in the small pieces. Now we start to cook แกงเผ็ดเป็ดย่าง duck with the red curry paste. First we put this one. Our homemade is very hot. Not normal hot, very hot.
You can find a recipe for the red curry paste here that we covered in a previous video.
1 tablespoon of homemade red curry paste and coconut milk. I put 2 spoons first and then we fry with the low heat, not low gas, low heat. Curry paste and coconut milk we fry in the pan about 5 to 10 minutes until you can get nice smell and the color change into darker. If a little bit dry, you can add a little bit more coconut milk. Really nice smell. Yeah, now smell nice. You can smell. Can you smell it? Yeah, smell nice. Then you put duck here. Yeah. Add a little bit of coconut milk. Yep.
Like one whole can there?
Yeah, whole can. And after this one, after duck have cooked, then you add a little bit of water, if not too thick. After you see duck have cooked, you Now you put the taste. Fish sauce, 2 tablespoon this one of fish sauce. Three-quarter spoon of palm sugar. Let me taste first.
That was it.
อร่อย Okay. When you get the right taste, the taste you like, put the cherry tomato, pineapple, pea aubergine. This one 100 gram. You can put only half. Sliced sweet chili. Sweet basil.
This one should be horapha or
Horapha. Yeah. Now you. Yeah, that's it. And then we put lychee on top. If you don't like, you don't have to put. I give you 2.
So, I've got some rice, I've got my duck curry. Let's give this a go. Oh, this looks good. Oh, that just looks so good. Oh, it's so good. Look at that. So lychee, the duck. So good. The perfect meat for the perfect curry. You can never go wrong with a duck curry. Especially with pea aubergines, lychee, pineapple. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Give that a go. It's a really, really great curry. And like I said, one of my favorites. We actually had it yesterday at my son's party. Don't be afraid to give that a go. You can either use your own curry paste that you've made, or you can buy your own pre-made curry paste from the supermarket, whatever's good for you. But I sincerely advise you to try to make your own curry paste. It's great. It's labor intensive, slightly, but the results speak for themselves. But that's it for today. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you again next week. Bye now.